Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and basically I am bringing to you my empties of my project pan from 2018. Now, I didn't do as good as what I thought I would do. Basically, because I kept adding, obviously I just wanted to add things to my project pan, so it wasn't like I was looking for an end goal. I didn't want a total price. I just wanted to start using products up on a regular basis. What I haven't used will be going into my next one for 2018. I am hoping that the one that I'm doing for 2018, I have a lot better results. I am hoping that I don't think I'll be adding to 2018 like I did with this, so I'm not too sure on that. So first of all, I'll tell you the ones that are actually finished before I do anything else. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy it, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell and let you know when I bring out a video. And also, if you would like to share me to your friends and family, please do. And also, if you've got any comments or you're from the Project Pan family, would really love to know some tips and tricks. Let's dive in while I think about it. So my empties. So I've used two of these lasted so long. These are the Estee Lauder, and these were samples, and they blew my mind every single time that I used them. They weren't thick, they went on smoothly. I didn't have to over powder, I didn't have to do anything that was so much effort. You know, it went on well with a beauty blender, and it went on well with the Y6 brush from Morphe. Once I've gone through a few of my other ones, I will definitely be repurchasing the full size one. So they are the Estee Lauder double weight testers, and they're done. So the next things that I have used up is the Clinique. It is a sample again, guys. It was the Clinique really thick one, super something. Now with this one, I found that it was extremely thick, and although I'd put the same amount on as the Estee Lauder, it seemed to just make me look really cakey, to be honest with you. Before I finished this one, I mixed it with not a full coverage one, so it made it so much better to use. So all I'm thinking is that I do like it, but I'll use it with another foundation that's not so heavy, and to mix the both together to get the actual look that I was in for. So yes, I like it. I would repurchase this, but I'd have to use it with a lighter one. I finished my Erase Eye, and love this. I've got a backup of it. Not quite using the backup one yet. I have got a few that needs to, although it's clicking round, there is nothing. The sponge is dried out because obviously it's been sat there that long now. Lovely, and it's so nice under the eyes, so brightening. A little goes a long way, and just remember that when the sponge is wet and you turn it up, all of it gets wet, so you've got quite enough to do your entire face, and probably go back the next day and do it again without actually clicking it up. So that's the reason why I like this, and it does erase. This was the Dream Lumi Touch. Again, this is the, and it's a wind up one. there's probably a bit in it. There's nothing. This is the end of it. I do like this product. It's not that I don't. Again, it's nice. It's not too heavy because I use like a dark circle corrector, and then I can go in with things like this. So, and just put a little bit and spread it about. I love both of these. I've got a backup of this. I would definitely repurchase this. This is the Kiko Dark Circle Concealer. Now, I finished this today. I'm like so chuffed. Basically, this is what I used underneath my eyes. I really enjoyed it. I didn't, because obviously I didn't know how much was in here when I put it in my project pan. It's nice to finish it. I would definitely repurchase this again, but Kiko are forever ever changing up their products. I love the NYX's under eye corrector. Right, I've also finished up another powder, which was the C2 Vanilla Rose, the L'Oreal True Match Minerals, and this, apart from putting it under my eyes, I didn't like it under my eyes because it has got a slight colour to it, so I'd put it all around my face and then use the ELF under eye setting. This was quite far up, but it was so nice to use. Obviously when I used it, it was like, it wasn't a chore, and that's what I liked about it. It wasn't a chore. When I went there, I was like, oh, what powder? Oh yeah, because of my project pan. This was beautiful, so I have got a backup of this, but obviously I'm not going straight into it because I've only just finished this. These are the ones that I didn't get as far as I wanted to. So first of all, these are the highlights from number 7. I've had them for a few years. So this is how far down I've got. And basically what I was doing was putting like a primer spray on, a primer, and then these. Even if I was wearing matte foundation, it just gives me that little nice illumination under my skin, under the foundation, and I really like it. But I am definitely carrying this on to the next project because I can finish that bit. So the next 2 things that I'm going to be talking about are the eyebrows. And basically this is the Essence Make Me Brow. This has been in my project pan for a while, actually not that long, but because I like to use the pen rather than this, so what I've started doing is just draw my eyes on and go in with this, and then been using the brow this way because this is also in there. I'm just trying to, but it doesn't make my eyebrows crispy, which is what I really like, but they still stay in place. Is the bronzer, and this was the most difficult thing I've ever tried to do it. So this was the Kevyn Aucoin Desert Days, and as you can tell, I've hit pan. I technically wanted to use this, but I've used this so many days, it is unbelievable, especially over the Christmas period, and I still can't use it up. I feel like I've used it enough now that I've had enough of it and want a different bronzer. I would like a full bronzer where I can swirl my brush in. Yes, it's nice, it's gorgeous colour. I have got it in a bigger one. Would repurchase. Obviously got one, so don't need to. So yeah, that's just going to go in my drawer. The next one's that I've used, but there's not a lot of progress on them. These were opened a couple of months ago, and these were at the Benefit, one of my Benefit boxes, like today, I've used this cream one as a setting powder, so I don't use a lot of this. This one I use down, it's worn down. The pan is starting to slightly dip. I like it a lot. These three shades together just in my crease, and then I can put anything else. And then again with this, I haven't used a lot, it's more on this side. They're the basic colours that anybody needs to do your crease. That I will say I've totally failed on is another Clinique foundation. But like I said, this isn't going back in my project pan. The Bare Minerals, there's 2 of them. I never got round to testing them, but again, they're not being forwarded over. This little YSL tester sample, I don't think I'll be taking this either. So, but I'm not throwing them away because they're not old. They're only about 8 months old, so I don't see the point in throwing them away because you do get 12 months on them. For me, this is my project, my empties, and my final project pan of the year. And I know we're already in 2018, but I've been a little bit poorly and I haven't had the energy. So I hope you guys will bear with me, and I will be hopefully back on track to doing what I want to do. Don't forget, any comments down below, would really love to hear from you. Also, if you're new, if you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, it will let you know when I bring a video out. And at the moment, I'm thinking it's New Year, new start, and it will be on Monday and Friday, and maybe a bonus video over the weekend. But I'm only gonna make sure, prioritise Monday and Friday, so that I know I might put out more. But the way that I've been feeling just lately, I've had a lot of health issues that... Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.